Good day, everyone. So, today I am going to discuss the conditional probability. What is conditional probability? It measures the probability of an event taking place given that another event has occurred. So, the idea with conditional probability is that we want to figure out the probability of something given that we have some other piece of information that we can bring to the table that will influence the probability of whatever we are investigating. I have also prepared the formula based on Bayes' theorem or theorem. So it used to determine conditional probability when two events A and B are independent. So, as you can see here, the formula given, which is probability A will happen given evidence B has already happened, equals to probability B will happen given evidence A has already happened, times or multiply to the probability A will happen divided by P or probability B will happen. I have also prepared an example which is using the Venn diagram. We have 500 students, 170 of them are taking research, while 100 of them are taking biology, and 50 of them are taking research and biology at the same time. So we need to figure out or solve the given questions. First is what is the probability that the student is taking research? Second, what is the probability that the student is taking research and biology given that the student is also taking biology? And lastly, what is the probability that the student is taking biology and research given that the student is also taking research? So here we need to use the formula given by the theorem earlier, which is by Bayes' theorem. So as you can see in letter A, probability of a research will happen given evidence B or biology has already happened. So 170 from research out of 500 or over 500 students equals to 1750 or 34%. B. P R given B equals to P give R and B over P or probability biology equals to 50 research and biology over 500 students over 100 biology students over 500 students. So we need to multiply it to 500. So let's cancel both 500. We have 50 out of 500 divided by 50. We have 1/2 or 50%. And lastly, P given will happen given evidence R equals to P probability biology and research over probability research. So we have 50 students over 500 students over 100 students. 170 students over 500 students. So times or multiply by 500. Both cancel. We have 50 over 170. So let's cancel again. Both 0. We have 5 over 17 or divided by 17 or 29%. So we have an answer with letter A, which is 34%, B 50%, and C 29%. Thank you.